In the ever-evolving landscape of modern warfare, traditional methods of defense against drones are proving ineffective. But fear not, as a groundbreaking solution is on the horizon. Microwave weapons are reshaping the battlefield, offering a cost-effective and precise means of neutralizing aerial threats. Gone are the days of using million-dollar missiles to take down $1,000 drones. The U.S. military is shifting its focus towards more efficient weaponry, particularly in response to the growing drone capabilities of nations like Iran and China. Enter microwave weapons, the game-changer in drone defense. Paul Shar, from the Center for American Security, CNAS, highlights the impracticality of using expensive missiles against cheap drones. Not only does this drain resources, but it also leaves military assets vulnerable to larger missile attacks. However, the need to counter drone threats remains paramount. That's where microwave technology steps in. Epirus's revolutionary Leonidas anti-drone system leads the charge in this new era of defense. By emitting a powerful microwave beam, Leonidas disrupts and disables drones mid-flight, rendering them useless. Unlike traditional electronic warfare methods, which merely interfere with communications, microwave weapons deliver decisive blows by frying the drone's electronics. But how does it work? Unlike conventional radar systems, Leonidas utilizes solid-state gallium nitride blocks to generate radio waves. This innovative design allows for greater compactness and precision, ensuring maximum effectiveness in targeting hostile drones. In fact, during testing, Leonidas achieved a flawless record, taking down every target with pinpoint accuracy. The benefits are clear. Microwave weapons offer a cost-effective alternative to conventional missile systems while maintaining superior accuracy. With the U.S. military already integrating Leonidas into its arsenal, the era of drone swarms may soon meet its match.